Hi students, I Sandeep. This is class 4th subject GK. In this video I am going to cover unit number 7. In this unit there are 3 chapters, all the chapters related with sports. My first chapter is athletic events. Athletic events, in the athletics there are 2 field events. One is track event and other one is field event. Okay, in this video I am covering both. First one is hurdle. Hurdle is a race. It is 100-meter race, which is, and in 100-meter race there are obstacles also, as it is coming in the PPTs. In the slide it is coming. Players, they are jumping over the obstacles, and the person who come first and the ending point, he or she will get the prize. Here for obstacles, girls have separate height, boys have separate height, and there is also for junior and senior there is separate height for both the sections. Next, shot put. Shot put is a game in which one iron ball is there. This ball is also variation according to the senior, junior, and for the girls, boys, this weight is separate. And when they have to, during the time of this performance, during the time of this event, the player should be in proper position. In this shot put, there is angle is showing to you. This is approximately 35-degree angle, and we have to throw this ball in this angle only. And if it is coming out from the circle, then it is considered as a foul. There are 3 attempts for this events. Next, we are having long jump. Long jump is the jump in which the player is coming from the runway, and then again he has to keep the feet on the top of the board, and then he has jumped in ground. And for this, in this game, this height of this track is, runway is 40 meter and ground length is 7 meter to 9 meter and breadth is 2.75 meter and stake of board is 20 centimeter. Okay, there are also 3 attempts. If a foul is there, then you will get 2 more chance. Next, high jump. High jump, there is no limitation for, as soon as you will cover this rod, it will be considered as your attempts. And here in this high jump, player is coming from back, and again he is throwing himself on the mats. This mat is lightweight mat. When any player is fell down, there will be no harming for this, no any injuries there. This mat is like this, it's very soft, and there is no limitation for the attempts. As soon as you can high your rod, you will be coming for the next chance, and if your feet is touching this rod, then it is considered as a foul. Next, relay race. In the relay race, it is the field track event. In this event, 4 players is coming, okay, from each team, and they have to cover this 400-meter race. There is a band is there, they have to change this pattern, and there is also, for this pattern there is area, they have to change this pattern within the area only, then they have to go. The person will come first at the ending point, he or she considered as a first. Next, javelin throw. Javelin throw is throw in which they have to throw this javelin, and there is also 3 attempts for the javelin throw. When a player is performing this act, he or she should be in the proper track. If is going out from the track, then it's considered as a foul. Next, walk racing is the race in which you have no need to bend your knees, you have to walk straight, and if you're going out from the track or bending your knees, then it will be foul and you will be out from this game. It is also track event. Next, discus throw. Shot put and discus throw both are same, only there is a change with the angle. This is also on the ground, it is a field event, and like one circle is there, and in this, when they are having this discus throw, in the discus throw, girls having separate weight, boys having separate weight, same for junior and senior having separate weight, and they have to throw as far as they can throw. They will be considered as first, second, third. Next, this chapter number 33, famous sports personalities. Here the first one is Sushil Kumar. Sushil Kumar, he was a wrestler. He was the first wrestler only from the India to receive two Olympic medal in 2018 Beijing and in 2012 London. Next, Shakshi Malik. Shakshi Malik is, she is also wrestler from Haryana, and she was the first wrestler win gold medal in 2016 in Rio de Janeiro. Here MS Dhoni. All are familiar with MS Dhoni. He was the former cricketer and captain of our Indian team, and he was captain during 2007 to 2016, and he was the expensive player in first IPL. Next, we are having Tiger Woods. He is a golf player from America. He also won different prizes in different events. Next, Venus Williams. She is tennis player from USA. Her height is 6 feet, and she done her best in 2002, 2006, 2010 also. And now in this stage, she is doing help for the old people. She is carrying one old this old home, and all the peoples, those having not home, those are not having food, they are going in her NGO. Next, Michael Phelps. He was the swimmer from USA, and he is the person who got highest medals in swimming from 2004 to 2017. He is having problem in his hand, injuries there. Doctors just you cannot participate in any game, but he was motivated. He was doing reading this motivation book. From this books he got motivation, and he participated in game, and he won different prizes in different fields. Next, Sakshi Nehwal. She is badminton player. She from India. She got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award in 2010. Before in 2009 she got Arjun Award. Arjun Award is award which is giving for the best performance in any sports field. Then in 2016 she got Padam Vibhushan. Now next chapter is chapter number 34, our traditional games. Traditional games are games which we are playing from our childhood, and there is no for these games we have no need any special coaching. It is by birth only. And here in this first game we have Malkhamba. Here this game is very interesting game, because for this we need muscular body, muscular plus full energetic game is this is full energetic game. We have to go up to top with help of our other players. It is showing in the slide. See, all the players are participated. They are having one to another, one and another, and one is on the top. It is known as Malkhamba. It is our traditional game. Next, Kabaddi. Kabaddi is also traditional game because it is you can say national game of, it is a state game of Punjab. And there is also two type Kabaddi. One is national and one is Punjab circle style. It is known as. Most of the when we are in childhood we were playing this game. It's Punjab Kabaddi style. Next, Kanche. This we are playing with the different games as it is showing in the PPT2. These boys are there and they are playing. They are hitting with this Kanche player, and whatever with the hit, whatever will come out, he is supposed to take this all the material. Next, Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is traditional game. It is playing with two. It is playing between two games. Okay, as it is showing from the uniform, one is in blue and other one is red uniform. There will be match from the both the teams, and the person who run out maximum player is considered as first and second. Student, there are more games is there. Gulli Danda is there, and then you have to one more game is there, that is chess. You are familiar with the chess. There are different kind of things, different players is there, and in Gulli Danda only 2 players can play here, and they have to hit one small wooden block, and whatever, as far as this will go, it will consider as again turn. So next, here what to do for this homework, picture is given to you, you have to write the name of this traditional game. Thank you for watching this video.